think we're good. Leah.
Yes! I'm back. Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Cooking with Mia and
Leah. I have a lot of energy in me right now. It's summer. You have to have a lot of energy.
And today we're gonna be making chocolate cream pie.
What you will need is 2 cups of milk, Jell-O, some Cool Whip, some graham cracker
That I already broke.
So
first we're gonna start with a bowl. Oh, I have to pop this thing. Okay, I got it.
Oh, it's brown. It's like a velvet color.
Of course it's brown, it's chocolate. And we're gonna do 2 cups of milk.
Don't spill it. And keep going, keep going.
We use the whole thing.
I'll whisk it. Mia, we forgot to tell them a rating on this. The
Well,
rating is a dab.
Which means it's like,
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So now we're gonna pour it into this crust thing. I don't wanna crack it.
graham cracker crust, pre-bought. I am like super tempted to lick this.
It's good, I tasted it.
So now we're gonna make it even and put it in the fridge for 5 minutes.
I think it's ready to go.
Oh, I'm coming up too.
Oh my God. All right, let's go. Ow! Okay.
Don't crack, don't crack, don't crack.
Drop it. Boom! So our stuff is done. We let it sit for 5 minutes.
Okay, so now we're gonna fill these cups with whipped cream, dye them, and we're gonna do a secret surprise that you guys are gonna love. I'm doing orange and she's doing purple.
I'm gonna do a light purple first. You don't have to do this part, but we like to jazz our cakes up. So now we're gonna swirl all our colors, and we added the regular original white cream, and now we're gonna swirl it. We're gonna take turns though. Now that's how you
Can we eat
swirl
this
it.
before dinner?
So now we're gonna invite some special guests. You've probably seen them like in the first episode. So here they are. Come on, boys. Our brothers. So we made chocolate cream pie, guys. So you can
Dig in. Okay guys, hope you liked today's episode. Make sure to give it a thumbs up.
and subscribe.
I think you just broke my wrist. Subscribe.
And don't forget, go follow us on Instagram. And if you guys like our videos, like all our videos, like we keep posting, you guys may get a special prize sent to you. We won't tell you what it is though. So, bye.